Just a little quick tip about the pad glue. I use the Taylor Touchdown number 720. I will take and glue my whole house, or anyway, I glue everything first and then I come back to fold it all over at once. If you let this glue get a few minutes of air time, the stickiness is a whole lot better. It's going to stick almost instantly. There ain't going to be no coming back and walking it down and walking it down and walking it down. It works a lot better if you'll give it just a little bit of air time, okay? Just a little quick tip.